Stateful inspection is a type of packet filtering in which connections to the network are tracked, and then because they're tracked, this information is used to make filtering decisions. So, for example, packets are received by a firewall. It will look to see if they form part of a current TCP connection. If it's deemed not to be part of it, then it's going to be rejected. What I mean by current TCP connection is if you think when a packet leaves your network, it's created this TCP connection. A computer within your network has created this TCP connection with another computer on the internet, and packets are leaving your network to talk to that computer. So that information can be tracked. So if you imagine here, we've got some tracked information. So we've got source IP. These are packets that have left my network. So source IPs of the network, clients, destination IPs where they're going to, destination port numbers, so source ports and destination port numbers. So if I received a packet that had a source IP of this 120.123.14.244, and it had a destination port that matches the source port there, and it could even go into that destination IP being that, source IP being that, then that would be accepted because that would be what I would expect. So based on this connection going out, I would expect a response to be coming in with almost the reversed information. Now, alternative to that, you could say, so that would be accepted. You could say, here's one that wouldn't. If you received a packet with a source IP of 137.24.48.128, you could reject that because it doesn't match anything that you would expect based on the connections that have recently left the computers within your network. So that's known as stateful inspection. So it's when you look in more detail at the contents of the packet header in relation to connections that have just come on. So a more basic sort of filtering, packet filtering, would just look at them to see, I don't know, set if ports are open and closed and things like that, or if the IP addresses of the destinations exist on your network. It's very basic what they look at. Stateful inspection is looking in much more depth to see if what is coming in matches recent things that are going out. So it takes more time, but it's more secure.